Welcome to Cook Along with Kids, and today we're going to make
Ella's hot banana pudding.
And first, you need to mash the bananas, as my sister here will do. Come on then, Edward. Now, when they're done, we need to melt the butter to, I don't know, a minute in the microwave.
Around 30 seconds, I would guess.
There we are. Wait for that to go. Doing some good mashing there, Edward. Right. You done those?
Yep.
Right, we need a big bowl. Put all the butter into there. Then you need to put 2 cups of breadcrumbs, I think. Right, mix all the ingredients together. Okay. And we'll add the sultanas. And the sugar. Edward, you can do the baking now. That going in? Yep. Then, turn around a bit. Add it into mashed bananas. Then mix them together. Just get a nice wooden spoon here. You are, Edward. Take that out. We are in 2 hours. Welcome back to Cook Along with Kids, and today we're making.
Chips and nuggets.
Right, first we've got some boiling hot fat, so kids should never do this. Put them in boiling hot fat. Do this. My sister can do the rest. And we'll need to do the chicken into the egg yolk and then put it into the breadcrumbs. Now pour all the breadcrumbs over onto the chicken till it's nice and lovely. Then we've got a frying pan with some fat in it, so we put them in. Just stir this around a bit. There we are. Now this is quite a mucky job, so remember to wash your hands afterwards and first. I'll fit these in, don't worry. Only got a few more left. Two. Sit. Last one. Right, most important time, cleaning up. So let's do some cleaning up. Get ready.
Thank you. Thank you.
What a wonderful chef.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. That's okay. Oops, sorry.
I really enjoyed this meal. It was